Welcome to Oak Business Consultant. Today I'm going to walk you through Language School Excel financial model. Starting from the table of contents, we have input sheet, startup summary, marketing, revenue analysis, loan schedule, depreciation, monthly and yearly profit and loss, cash flow statement, balance sheet, break-even analysis, project evaluation, diagnostic tools, and dashboard. Coming towards input sheet, well, it's the most important sheet of the whole financial model. Well, it's the starting date. Here's the input for the starting date. Then we have inputs for the investments, like investment from owner or investment from the investor. Then we have other assumptions like other cost of sales percentage and the growth rate. And then we have the tax rate percentage. And we have the payroll inputs. Then we have capital expenditure inputs, along with the revenue assumptions and other assumptions along with operating expenses. Then we have working capital inputs like account payable days and account receivable days. Then we have the startup summary. Here is the summary for the first year for the investors, like the summary for the fundings and expenses. Then we have the total assets and liabilities. Coming towards the revenue analysis, here we have the detailed calculation for the revenue, as it's here's the beginners and advanced English courses. Then we have the starting months, training fee, all the revenue inputs. Then we have occupancy, and we have starting adjustments. Then we have total students in all sessions, and we have revenue calculations along with the costs. Coming towards the loan schedule, is the schedule for the loan, as it's the beginning balance, interest expense, principal amount, remaining balance for whole three loans. Coming towards the depreciation, well, it's the depreciation for the assets. All the assets listed are in here. Coming towards the monthly PLN, it's whole calculations for the as the income statement on the monthly basis. Then we have the yearly basis income statement. Then we have, as a three-statement financial model, so we have in here income statement, cash flow statement, and balance sheet. Alright, so then coming towards the break-even analysis, here's the break-even analysis, contains contribution margin, break-even sales, and monthly break-even. Then we have project evaluation, like we have the projection of the first 5 years and what will be the present value after the 5 years. Here's the net present value of the company. Then we have investor required future value in equity share. We have the calculation for the share in equity. Then we have burn rate analysis. Then we have minimum investment required. Coming towards the diagnostic tool, here it shows the gross profit margin of percent of sales. Then we have operating expenses as percent of sales. Then we have profitability as percent to sales, their descriptions along with the cash flow statement and break-even analysis, the findings as well. Coming towards the dashboard, so overview of the whole financial model, well, it shows the share in equity, EBITDA margin, net profit margin, internal rate return, net present value, along with the charts which shows yearly operating expenses, income statement analysis, cash flow analysis, revenue analysis, net cash flow, break-even analysis, and total assets and total liabilities. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any further queries, please visit our website.